Hey guys, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Tara.
So we're going to make a valid attempt at starting to, record our trips that we do. Over the past, 2 years? We've been doing a lot of camping. I started doing a lot of photography and kind of wanted to do video with that. And then this turned into, hey, everyone keeps asking about our trips, so here we are. Want to tell them where we are?
Oh, so we're at Vogel this weekend. Currently Saturday night. It's cold, and I'm not a fan of the cold, so we're inside. Yay! But yeah, went hiking yesterday. Went to Helen today, and got our beer and pretzel, and it was really good.
And schnitzel.
And schnitzel.
Definitely gotta get some schnitzel when you go to Helen. But yeah, so we're just kind of wrapping up the trip. Got some footage. We'll see how it turned out. It's still kind of new with this camera, but I have some pictures along with it as well. So hope you enjoy, and we'll get better at this as this goes on, I guess. So, thanks for watching. We're at Vogel State Park, campsite 80. This is our little setup here. The doggies. Tara sitting there drinking juice. You got the solo stove. So honestly, these fire pits kind of stink. And there's our camper. And Bella trying to escape. Yeah, just a quick little tour of the outside. We'll get the inside here in a little bit.
So I'm doing a walkthrough of our camper by popular demand. Everybody wanted to see the inside. So there's the door. It's got a little trash can. Walking inside to the right, you got the dinette, which turns into a table. Oh, sorry, it's a table. It turns into a bed. And then there's storage under here. Hello, Cooper. And then we got storage up here. There's also storage here. You have 4 cubbies with a little bit of storage. And there's also storage under here as well. And then moving to the left of the camper. You have the kitchenette, which has your sink. Ta-da! And then your stove. Ta-da! Your microwave. Very nice. Storage. Some open storage. TV center. The bed. And then a little cubby hole here to charge your phones. Also have a little hook up here that comes down for jackets. And then we move on to the fridge. Standard little fridge. Holds lots of food. Also have surround sound and radio. Back below it is storage, open storage. Here's some storage under the bed. And then you got some pull-out cabinets here and here. Utensils we put in here, pots and pans. You can also open the shower. So your full bath, your toilet, and you've got this curtain that goes around to close so you can shower. And we got this to stop the thing from hitting us and then turning on accidentally. And that's pretty much it.